Hi everyone, this is a fun magnetic cube, magic magnetic cube. In this we have 24 rare earth magnets. Because of that we can change different type of shapes. Here 9 particular shapes are given to us. Let us solve this. So this is available in online from 150 to 300 rupees, depends upon the quality. So here 799 given, but I got it for 150 rupees only. Let us solve this. So here we can see this is one of the magnetic cube. So here we'll get the different shapes. Let us see these all the shapes. We will try one by one. So here just it is made up of paper, so be careful, slowly we have to do. So paper quality is good only. So here we got first shape. See, here we got a shape like one of the different shapes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 rhombuses are there. Rhombus, kite, okay, trapezium, one of the four sides are there. So let us solve different shapes. So here we are having, it is a one of the tray, like this is a one design, this is a one design, two completed. So let us solve again. We will get a different shape. So if you see here we are going to get now one of the ball shape. Okay, see here we got one of the ball. So here how many sides are there? Let us see. 1 2 3, top 3, bottom 3, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 12 are there. Okay, so dodecagon, 12 sides are there. Let us see one more shape. Okay, we can change into different shapes, depends upon our wish. So it is a nice for the age below 10. They can engage their time, they can do time pass with these puzzles. So let us see how to solve this. Let us get one more shape. So I am trying for the triangle. Okay, that is one of the better shapes. See, we got here. Okay, here we got triangle. This is the best shape, triangle. So here also we got different shapes. Okay, in this manner we can solve so many shapes, sizes we will get. Okay, just we have to try, that's it. Okay, whenever we are trying, we'll get the different shapes. It is a nice experience for the students, those who are trying for the challenging puzzles. We got again star. So I want to make a cube now. So it will take some time to solve all these things. At the end we got cube. Okay, so we can solve in this manner.